So hello everyone, welcome to our channel Acts in a Room, where we can do numerous acts in a room. Today we are with Animal Farm Chapter 1 Question Answers. Unsolved questions. Number 2. Comrades, you have heard already about the strange dream that I had last night, but I'll come to the dream later. Explain the lines given above. What does comrade mean? Why is the term used here? Who are comrades? The above line says that the old major orates about his strange dream to the animals present in the big barn, but he will continue with it later. Comrade means an organism who fights on the same side as we in a war or revolution. The term is used here to unite all the animals against cruel humans. Comrades are the animals of Manor Farm. Number 2. Old Major indicates something about himself in the next few lines. Give details. Answer. The Old Major indicates that he don't think he will live for many more months, and before he dies, he thinks that it is his duty to pass on his wisdomful ideas that he had gained in his lifetime. He thinks that he understands nature of life on this earth and a life of any kind. Number 3. What is the nature of life of ours? Says Major. How does he describe it? Answer briefly. Answer. Major describes it as the lives of animals are miserable, laborious and short. They are born and give such amount of food that they could stay alive. The animals who are capable to maintain themselves are forced to work till last moment of their breath. When they are not in work, they are killed and their flesh is sold at high amount. No animal knows the meaning of happiness and leisure. No animal is free. Number 4. Later in this context, Old Major justifies that this is not simply part of the order of nature. How does he justify this thought? Major justifies his thought by saying that this land is not so poor that it cannot afford a decent life. The soil of England is fertile, its climatic condition is good, and it is capable of affording food in abundance. It can support about 220 luxurious life, but they are in such miserable condition because of humans. They take nearly the whole produce of their labor for their profit. Number 5. Who according to Major is the enemy? Give one example that he mentions. Answer. According to Major, man is the enemy of them. One example he mentioned to support his point was about the gallons and gallons of milk that the cow. Question 3. And remember, comrades, your resolution must never falter. No argument must lead you astray. Never listen when they tell you that man and animals have common interest. What is the resolution that has been taken? Who decides on the resolution? The resolution that has been taken is remove man from the scene, and the root cause of hunger and overwork is abolished forever. All men are enemies, all animals are friends. The Old Major decides on the resolution. Question 2. Explain the given lines. Answer. In the given lines, the Major asks his comrades to remember their resolution, and it must never go useless. No argument or conversation must lead them away from their aim. They must neglect when anyone says that man and animals are equal. It is complete lie. Man has always slaved animals and threatened them. Number 3. What does Major request from the comrades? Answer. Major requests from the comrades that they should never listen when anyone tells them that man and the animals have a common interest. The prosperity of man is the prosperity of the animals is a lie. Man serves the interest of no creature except himself. Among animals, there must be perfect unity and perfect comradeship in the struggle. Number 4. Briefly explain what happens in between the speech. Rat appearance. Between the speech, a sudden commotion diverted everyone's attention. 4 large rats surfaced from their holes and were sitting on their hindquarters listening to Major. They were ruthlessly chased by the dogs. Seeing that, the Major decided to seek the opinion of the House as to whether rats could be considered as their friends or not. The House together voted for rats as friends. Number 5. Give brief description of Major as he appears in this chapter. Answer. Old Major is a show pig, a prize medal white boar. Because of his wisdom experience, he enjoys the respect and love of all animals on Manor Farm. He is concerned with socialism. According to him, man is the source of all troubles that the animals undergo. There could be a better life of the animals if they had the courage to rebel and drive man out of the farm. He inspires them to a rebellion which he says may fetch immediate result or may fetch no success in the years to come. He is not selfish. He is a practical and shrewd thinker, a visionary. For more question and answers and essay type question answers, check out the description box. That's all for today. Don't forget to comment your opinions. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Do subscribe. Goodbye.